Hey everyone, just wanted to let you know that Randy and I are going to be putting shutters on this house here. It's a dark blue brick and we're going to be putting white shutters on. This is Lake Bonham. Looks like a pretty lake. Those people are out there. I can't believe they're out there. It's so windy. But just wanted to show you the before and the after. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we have them all where they're supposed to go. But this right here is going to be so hard. You got this holly bush, and that's going to be so hard. There's a little thing right there maybe we can do. Hi. But yeah, this is going to be so hard. There's no space right there for that one. Good? Okay, do your thing. You gonna do right there? Yeah. Is it hard brick?
No, unless that was mortar. I don't think it was though.
Okay, so what size screws are these?
3/16.
What kind of drill bit? 3/16?
Masonry.
Okay.
3/16. Are you video?
Uh-huh. We're gonna do down there.
Okay. Out of the way.
Okay, so tell them how you measure for a window. So like this window, there's a gap right here. You don't want to do that because the window, the shutters, you want to like have them where they look like they shut on the window. So Randy will tell you.
You want them to look like they're actually going to close on the window. So if you're measuring, you can take the whole frame of the window and go from top to bottom.
And you want to go right where this window sill is. Like show them with your finger.
Like right
Yeah.
there. I would go from this corner up to this corner.
Okay.
And that's going to be the length of your shutter.
And then on this windows, I'll show you, because there's a lot that has it like this, where, like what Randy was saying, from window to window, but some has this trim on it, and you can go from the top of that trim to the bottom of that trim if you like that look, or you could go from here to the top of that one. So just the window. So you can do them different ways, from trim to trim or window to window. blooper. Right there. Did it break? And you want to make sure that this is flush with the brick. Some brick is all different shapes and it sticks out, but you want to make sure that that's pretty flush with the brick. So then we'll come back and, since this is white, we'll come back and paint the blue, so you won't see that. Matches the house though, but yeah, you don't want to see that. So that's what that looks like. Instead of just having it blue with the window, that gives it a little bit of a character, and I think it's going to look really nice. Okay, now we have the second one on. Most of the time, our shutters are cedar, just because cedar is an outdoor wood. Like this inside is done in the cedar, but she wanted pine. More of a slick look instead of a smooth look instead of the rough cedar to go with her house. So she was going to do cedar in that color, or she wanted to do the pine in the white, and that's what she chose, to do the white. The only thing with pine, to make it last outside, you have to paint the front and the back of it. You can't, with cedar you can just leave it, but with pine you have to paint the front and the back. But pine gives it a more of a smooth, modern look, or cedar gives it more of a rustic look. But cedar, it just keeps the bugs away, and it's more weather resistant and stuff like that. But with this house, I think she made the right choice. I think it's going to look really good on this house. And you can already see where there's no shutters here and there's shutters on this side. It just makes the house pop. And my old saying is, it's like putting eyelashes on women. You know, you really don't see the eyes of a woman until you start putting the makeup and eyelashes and all that kind of stuff. And that's sort of what shutters does for the homes. It just makes it pop. So anyway, I just wanted to let you see that side versus that side. Let me know what you think. Does it look better with shutters or without shutters? My opinion is it looks a lot better with shutters. It just makes it pop. Okay, now we have it all completed. So now I'll show you the whole house. Sorry y'all, it's windy out here with the lake and stuff. You can see the white caps on the lake. I hope you can hear me, but here it is. Zoom out here a little bit so you can see the whole thing. There you go. I think I love it. I think she did a good choice with painting it white. I think it looks good. Now she needs little shutters there at the very top. Yeah, I love it. Let me know what y'all think, okay? Please continue to like and subscribe, and we'll have some more videos out coming with some more stuff that we'll be making and doing at the house. So just please like and subscribe. Thanks y'all. Leave me a comment. Bye.